providing us with information that we never had before. And that's helping us as a company improve our processes and improve our ability to produce quality product on time with as few defects as possible.
Since the implementation of DELMIAWorks, it's made us a better company, a more efficient company, and our employees have embraced it.
Costs are changing, faster than they ever have, and DELMIAWorks helps us to track that.
To set us apart from our competitors for sure, and I wish we could have done it 10 years ago.
DELMIAWorks has made Pittsville Plastics more profitable and organized. Faster decision making and more data-driven decision making almost immediately.
DELMIAWorks helps us stay competitive in a number of ways. The main one that I look at from a strategic perspective is from a growth perspective. It allows you to scale. It allows you to spin off a division. It provides an ability for you to transfer information, transfer knowledge to a new group of people in order to do the things that you can do.
Your network is your net worth, and I can see Core Technology and DELMIAWorks both growing, but growing together.